session.
Hi everyone, I'm Katie McBride and I'm the Strategic Alignment Lead.
And I'm Auntie Kim, a designer, and we are part of the team building Lenovo Qira.
And today, we want to introduce Lenovo Qira. It's a built-in cross-device intelligence. It lives across your PC, tablet, and phone, and it's always with you. And it works the way you work. We designed it around 3 ideas: presence, action, and perception. Presence. It is a consistent user experience across your devices. Second, actions. It orchestrates actions across apps and devices. And finally, perception. It builds knowledge about the user with privacy at its core. So first thing you'll notice, the Lenovo Qira prompt bar is consistent everywhere. Phone, PC, tablet. It follows you throughout your day. It's always working in the background, available and ready to support you.
Lenovo Qira understands what's on my screen and gives me real-time suggestions throughout the day. It's not a chatbot, and it's definitely not an app. It stays on top of my screen and proactively recommends the most contextual suggestion. We call this next move suggestions. So let's say I'm browsing and planning a trip to Istanbul. As I'm doing that, Lenovo Qira picks up on the context and surfaces a suggestion right when I need it.
The feature I use most is pay attention. Lenovo Qira can seamlessly record and transcribe meetings. As soon as a meeting starts, it proactively suggests to record, so I don't have to worry about missing important details. Transcription will start automatically, and I can even switch on live translation to multiple languages during the meeting. Now, once I end the meeting, it summarizes the conversation and pulls out action items. All of this is saved to my knowledge, so I can easily revisit action items and key details anytime. What's even better is that after the meeting ends on my PC, I can seamlessly pick things back up on my phone when I'm on my way home. I can quickly check key takeaways and important details from the meeting, so I'm always informed and empowered wherever I am.
Lenovo Qira builds a fused understanding of me over time, like my preferences, personal context, and even the content of my files, so I can recall exactly what I need when I need it. I can drag and drop a file into idle state, and they can become part of my personal knowledge. The more meetings, documents, texts, and emails I save, the smarter and more personalized Lenovo Qira becomes across my devices. I need to send a reminder email to my wedding guests with important details. With Write for Me, Lenovo Qira helps me write directly where I'm already working. For example, I've already saved my wedding detail files to Lenovo Qira, and now, right inside of Outlook, I can draft the email without opening files or manually searching for information.
Since Lenovo Qira runs across all of my Lenovo and Motorola devices, I can bring my phone right onto my PC and control it seamlessly without switching devices. I can do everyday things, set alarms, manage tasks, and control my phone directly from my PC. I can ask about my schedule tomorrow and see that I need to pick up my dry cleaning around 6 p.m. I'll go ahead and set an alarm so I don't forget.
Because Lenovo Qira runs on local AI, it keeps working even when I'm offline. I can ask general questions like, what are the top 5 architectural landmarks along the Chicago River? Or jump into Creator Zone to generate awesome images, all without internet connection.
In live mode, the user can talk to and ask questions to Lenovo Qira. So imagine you're looking at a map of the Chicago Marathon, and you need to figure out where to go to support your friend. You can just pull up the map and say, "Hey Qira, what's the best place in the first 4 miles for spectators to watch?" Now, while in live mode, it senses your screen or camera and gives you contextual answers.
I've been busy filming, so I haven't had a time to look at my messages. This is Catch Me Up. Lenovo Qira summarizes what's happened across all my devices, messaging apps, notifications, meetings, emails. One clean snapshot. So now I have one smart summary that is grouped and prioritized so I can get caught up quickly.
So that's Lenovo Qira, personalized ambient intelligence built across all of my Motorola and Lenovo devices. It's present, it takes actions, and understands what you're doing. And the best part, you don't have to learn it. It learns from you.